Hi, I'm Stephen Grotel, and I'm the design director at Delmar Jewelers. And every year, it's been my absolute pleasure to spend a few minutes with you to talk about things that I've been thinking about during the year, talk about things that have been inspiring me during the year, and to talk about things that have led to many of the products that we've developed over the years, over this year. And this year, what's been really exciting is the idea of really embracing what I consider the fifth industrial revolution, the dawn of a really new era, the era of artificial intelligence. And what's fascinating about this is just, imagine having instant access to a database containing more than 3.5 billion images. Imagine using prose, poetry, stories, and an excessive number of adjectives as a new creative language. Imagine being able to generate countless design concepts, permutations, and variations in a single working session. AI image generation is emerging as a new and powerful tool in the creative process. So let's look at a case study. The first thing we do is we enter a series of prompts into the computer, and it's just using words. So here, what we've done is we've said, draw a gouache rendering of a diamond ring featuring a 1 carat oval white diamond with a halo of round white diamonds mounted in 18 karat yellow gold. The ring is a Mother's Day present for a 50-year-old mother of three living in Middle America. So within just a few seconds, the computer comes back and it gives me four theoretically gouache rendered images. Now, they're a little crude, but something about them really does speak to that mother of three 50-year-old mother of three in Middle America. And I became really fascinated with the one on the upper left. And so what I did is I drilled into that particular image, and I said, what is it about this that inspires me so much? And it's this little detail on the side of the shank, which is not quite a bezel and it's not quite a prong setting. It's something that's actually I would have never thought of, probably can't be realized, but yet I found it really inspiring. So then what I did is I took that and I said, well, how do I make this work? How do I create a setting that's both bezel and prongs? And what I came up with was something that I feel is this really very kind of feminine and flowing detailed, which really speaks to the target consumer. And what we've done now is we've 3D printed these files. We're looking at them to see if they're viable from a production perspective. And you know what? I would have not come up with this on my own had I not seen it first in that in what AI spit back at me. So in conclusion, I'm absolutely confident that AI tools will not replace the passion, the emotion, the imagination, and the creativity of the human designer or the groupthink of a great product development team. AI does represent an exciting new tool in the creative process, and I think we should all put our seatbelts on because I do believe that this will become more and more part of the process. And if it, begins to inspire the industry in the same way that it's inspired me, it's never going to replace what we do here at Delmar as a team. But it is quite fascinating. And with that, I hope I've left you with something you either hadn't thought about or hadn't known about before this short presentation. And on behalf of the entire Delmar team, I want to thank you for being such great partners with us and for inspiring me as much as I hope that our products inspire you and all of your consumers. And with that, I wish you a wonderful, successful upcoming selling season. Thanks again.